What's up, guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to make this video for LinkedIn users. Okay, yes, those of us who make very good use of LinkedIn, this is for you. Now, we can see that in the various or on the various social media handles like Twitter, Instagram, and yes, other social media handles. Sometimes people are able to verify their accounts to show that um, they are the genuine account belonging to the that particular person. Okay, and that is trusted. It's a trusted account where you can depend on it, or whatever information is coming from that account can be depend on. Okay, yes. So this is because people or hackers normally create accounts in the name of these people, especially when they are public figures, to also use they create an account and use it to scam people if you are not aware. And so they verifying the account and getting the check on it means that is the only account you can trust. And so LinkedIn is also having the same feature, right? Yes, LinkedIn have the same feature. And LinkedIn most of the times deals with content sharing or content writing, something like that. And so whatever information you post there, you verifying your account will make people trust your account very well, especially when you are someone who deals with posting a lot of information. Okay, people will trust your source and know that you are the right account. Okay, yes. And so any other account they see in your name, they'll be able to ignore it. Okay, so this is how LinkedIn's check or verification looks like. So let me just show you. So this is my account. Okay, and for LinkedIn, when you check your account or when you verify your account, this two appears there. Okay, this symbol appears alongside your name. Okay, yes. And so now this verification is limited. It's limited to the United States, and I think some other countries, one other country. Yes, where it's easy for them to just verify, right? Yes. Apart from that, there are some other informations, but I think the important one I have to share is you either using your um, working organization's email, so, or an institution's email. So if you are using a working organization, it should be the one an organization recognized by LinkedIn. So let me say, for example, you are working for ABC company. Okay, and you want to use their email in registering, or their mail in registering. It should be the company you're working for should be recognized by LinkedIn, right? If the company is not recognized by LinkedIn, then you can't verify it. Okay, yes, that also applies to the institution. Okay, so if you're a tertiary student or something, you have your master's, something like that, and you're having an email from the school or the institution, it should be recognized by LinkedIn, right? So how do you do this? How do you verify? Now, to verify, you come to your account and you can see these three dashes alongside. Just click on it. Then you can see about this profile. Click on it, so you can see verifications. Now my own has already been verified, right? So you can see that Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology verified, because I use Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology because I'm a student of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and my account my I'm having a mail from the school, so that is what I use, right? So normally you click here the edit tool, and it will open up for you. Okay, yes, yes. So as I was saying, normally you click this tool and it will open up for you. Yes, so you can see downloading, and the info I was giving you, um the institute using an institution's email and workplace email, etc., will appear. So just make sure you read through everything, right? You read through everything. Now there will be a space provided for you to type your mail. I mean, those of us who are not countries not recognized by LinkedIn, and you'd have to use the institution's email or workplace email. You would type that email in the box provided or a space provided, and you click on it, and so a verification code will be sent to that email. Right now, I've already done mine, but I just want to take you through the processes. Okay, now for our dear KNUST students, I think I this is how you can do it. Now let's go to our search engine. KNUST, you have an email, right? Search. Now when it opens up, it comes this way. So you were given KNUST username and password, okay, which is why you use in signing into your AMAP or student portal. So you type that one there, okay, you type it there, then you click on sign in. Great. Now I registered mine way back 26th October, or I verified mine way back 26th October. So you can see here, hi James, we received a request to verify your email, and you can see the verification code attached to it down here. So they are saying enter this code to complete the verification. Okay, so you get something like this if you type your mail there, or your school, your institution mail there, you get something like this. So you have to copy this ID. Okay, you copy this ID, you go back to your LinkedIn, okay, and there will be a space provided for the verification code. You type it there, and you click on enter or verify, and it will automatically verify your account for you, right? So this is for KNUST students. I'm just using that mail from KNUST to um, do it for you to get the concept right. And so if you're from other institution, um, Legon, UCC, or the others, or even outside Ghana, you can also do register by just the method I just talked about. Okay, and yes, this will make your account a trusted account, and that if even your account concentrates on a business, or your account is a business account, you use it in doing business. If anyone is dealing with you, the person wouldn't be in a doubt, right? Yes. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you provide them in the comment section. I'll take time and read all of them and provide answers as well. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.